Want to skyrocket your YouTube views and finally beat the algorithm? Stick around, because today I'm revealing the secrets that top YouTubers don't want you to know, plus a bonus tip at the end. Hey YouTube! Welcome back to Start Smart, where we dive deep into everything YouTube related to help you grow your channel and reach your goals. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to get notified whenever I upload new content. Today, we're tackling a big one: how to beat the YouTube algorithm in 2024. First things first, let's talk about what the YouTube algorithm actually is. The algorithm is a complex set of rules and data-driven processes that YouTube uses to decide which videos to recommend to viewers. It aims to keep people on the platform as long as possible by showing them content they'll find engaging and relevant. There are three main areas the algorithm focuses on: personalization, performance, and user interaction. Let's break these down and see how you can leverage them to your advantage. Personalization is all about tailoring content to individual viewers based on their past behaviors and preferences. Here's how you can use it to your benefit. Know your audience. Use YouTube analytics to understand your audience demographics, interests, and watch habits. Create content that aligns with their preferences. Consistent branding. Keep a consistent theme and style across your videos. This helps the algorithm understand what your channel is about and who it should be recommended to. Playlists and series. Organize your content into playlists and series. This encourages binge watching and keeps viewers engaged with your channel for longer. Next up, let's talk about performance metrics. These include watch time, click-through rate, CTR, and audience retention. Here's how to optimize each one. Watch time. Aim for longer videos if you can keep them engaging. More watch time signals to YouTube that your content is valuable. CTR. Create eye-catching thumbnails and compelling titles. A higher CTR means more people are clicking on your videos. Audience retention. Keep your intros short and get to the point quickly. Use hooks throughout the video to maintain interest and avoid drop-offs. User interaction is crucial. The more your audience engages with your content, the better it performs. Here are some strategies. Call to action, CTA. Encourage viewers to like, comment, and share your videos. Ask questions and invite discussion in the comments. Community tab. Use the community tab to post polls, updates, and engage with your audience outside of your videos. Live streams. Host live streams to interact with your audience in real time. This boosts engagement and fosters a stronger community. Now let's discuss content strategy and trends. Staying relevant and timely can give you an edge. Trending topics. Keep an eye on trending topics and incorporate them into your content when relevant. Use tools like Google Trends and YouTube Trends to stay updated. SEO optimization. Research keywords and include them in your titles, descriptions, and tags. This helps your videos show up in search results. Consistency. Stick to a consistent upload schedule. Whether it's once a week or twice a month, consistency helps build a loyal audience. For those who want to go the extra mile, here are some advanced tips and tools. A/B testing. Experiment with different thumbnails and titles to see which performs better. Analytics. Deep dive. Regularly review your analytics to understand what's working and what's not. Adjust your strategy accordingly. External promotion. Promote your videos on social media, blogs, and forums to drive external traffic to your channel. Beating the YouTube algorithm isn't about gaming the system. It's about understanding what the platform values and aligning your content with those principles. Focus on delivering value to your audience, and the algorithm will follow. Oh, and before you go, here's a bonus tip. Take advantage of YouTube Shorts. They're a great way to reach a wider audience quickly and boost your channel's visibility. Give it a try and let me know how it works for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment below with your thoughts or questions, and share it with other aspiring YouTubers. Subscribe for more tips and tricks, and I'll see you in the next video.